Hi all, another tutorial information on FreeCAD CNC. This time we're going to add a post-process and show you where the post-processors are and how to edit them. It was a request on the IRC as people now joining us and want to know more if they can do something for their special machines. Yes, you can. And the files are inside the FreeCAD folder. I have a build here. You may have only mod that says it's the module. It's inside pass scripts and post. And there are the post processing, the main units. It's just a Python file. So if you have a little bit of experience, but you will get it soon. If you don't have, you can modify your post processor as you like. Here, let's say preamble. Here are the input files, what to get in the first line, what to get in the last line, what to get on a pre-operation, on a post-operation for plasmas maybe, and what to do on tool change. You can add things you like to see, and if you have trouble, join us on the IRC channel, and or here you wrote here on the YouTube a comment and we will see what we can do for you. So let's add something here. I open up FreeCAD. The version here I'm running is a night build. I'm one year the development. So what you can do first, on the edit settings, you have a lot of things here. You will see pass. If you have started the pass workbench here, the workbench is here inside, and you have a lot of things to do. Let's go. You have a general, a post processor, and a setup. Setup here is stock. That means the part wide, where if you create a job, will be offsetted in boundary like you said here. You can edit it all time. These are just the pre-operations. As you see here in post-processor, there are a lot of things in. I have some more. And we will do what we can. You see here the default post-processor I set to Linux CNC. I'm a Linux man. And I have some arguments that tell the system what I like to have set up in first place. In general, here you can set the passes. The standard pass is also here for default pass, where the NGC, where the G code goes. So if you go here on Linux CNC, it will tell you the system. And as we have dress ups, I will be making a tutorial later what this is saying to. I say OK, and now we're gonna do something. I open up just our simple first file here, and on the job in data there's your post processor, and if you should show up the arguments. Normally it shows it up. Why does it not show now? Always in the tutorial it's different than the test file. Okay, there are arguments. It should show up at your side. Here the arguments header, no comments, line numbers, precision preamble, inches, and I have some more. So if you hit now the job file or the dress up code here, the operation, you can generate G code. Here with this button, generate the G code. I will override the one I have, and you see your G code. Here the preamble. If you want to change it, you just can't add here minus preamble, and just wrote what you want to see, G54, G80, and let's say, what do we have, G40. Okay, so if I now generate my G code, I have an error. What does it say? Preamble, I did write it wrong. So let's mark it here and go in. I marked the right one. So if we now generate, it should work. Yeah, there we go, and here you see the line I added. So with no editing of the postprocessor, you will also get something like this one here. I will remove this. If you like more precision, let's say here 4, you will get 4 entries here, 4 numbers beyond instead of 3. And we have here, if you say, let's undo modal and generate, and then you will get every line will hold the G code command instead of standard going through. I will go back if I can, yes, and no doubles will give you a G code that has in every line the number from the before axis. You see here it's already, I have here a fault. It recommends now the in millimeter per second. So I will look at this in the code where this come from. But if you go the standard way, it's not there. So you can add a lot and make your G code look like you want it to have. So see you next time, and goodbye.